includes one that allows you to conceal carry your guns without a permit or training. All you need right now is a valid ID. However, some firearm experts worry some people don't understand this new law completely. That's why we're bringing in an expert. Joining me live now over in Brandon is Ryan Thomas, a firearms expert at Tampa Carry. Ryan, thank you so much for joining us this morning. I guess what we want to start off with is really walking through, what this law is about and what this is going to change for people.
So this new law allows Floridians that are legally allowed to possess a firearm to carry that firearm on their body without any type of permission slip from the government or any type of training, which is the part that I disagree with. I don't think we should have to ask the government for permission, but firearms are very serious and we need to make sure we understand how to use them properly and safely within the confounds of the law.
How does this change where people are going to be able to carry firearms now?
So the one major difference is we have a list of 15 prohibited places that Floridians are not allowed to carry a firearm at all. And some of those places are very easy understood. So a police station, an elementary school. But the one that I think a lot of people are going to get very confused on is if you have a valid concealed carry permit, you can have a firearm physically on your body while you're inside of a vehicle. But with the permitless carry bill, if you do not have a permit, you cannot have a firearm physically on your body while you're inside of a vehicle.
That's important to know. Obviously, I guess a little bit of confusion comes into play here, too, with understanding this law. For you guys over at Tampa Carry who are consistently training people, making sure that they are safe gun owners, what are you guys doing to make sure that that continues with this new law in effect?
We're really just encouraging people that they need additional training with a firearm to, number one, make sure they have the proper mindset and understanding of the law. But they also need to have the proper skill set so that they don't put themselves or their loved ones in danger with a firearm. So it's really encouraging people that this is a very serious subject matter that has real world consequences, and a small investment of a couple $100s to make sure that you're not going to accidentally hurt yourself is well worth the investment.
Ryan, thank you so much for joining us this morning and obviously offering some clarity. We'll have more on this new law on 10tampabay.com, so you guys can go there for that to find out some more information.